MoeTheDriver.
Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you a quick update on what we got going on with the truck. So I have the drag radials are in. Here they are. This is a 15 by 10. This is from JEGS. Oh, it's called the Spike. And then we have a 275 60 15 Mickey Thompson Radio Pro, ET Radio Pro. So that's what we have right now. Basically what happened was I bought these metal valve stems, and the metal valve stem was supposed to go in the wheel, obviously, so you can have metal stems instead of rubber stems, but the stem's not long enough. So we had to make sure that we had a valve stem today so we can start mocking up the rear end. So we went with a standard rubber valve stem, but we will not be racing with that valve stem, only for mocking up the wheels with the rear end. So I have to order some more metal valve stems that actually fit and work in there. They have to be a little longer, about a 1/4 inch longer than these. So those didn't work, but we'll get some more and we'll make it work. But that's a quick update. That's all I got for you guys today. Sorry for the short video, but I got to get these down to the chassis shop, man. They didn't want to do that rear end right now, so we got to go. Holla!